Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Drive's file sharing features. First, open Google Drive and locate the file or folder you wish to share. Right-click on it and select Share. This will open a dialog box where you can manage access. You can invite specific people or generate a shareable link. It's a straightforward process for secure collaboration. Once you've selected Share, you'll see options for permission levels. Viewer allows recipients to only see the content. Commenter lets them add feedback without altering the original file. For full collaboration, choose Editor, which grants permission to make changes. Always consider who needs what level of access to maintain control over your documents. Beyond individual sharing, you can generate a shareable link. This is useful for broader distribution, but be mindful of the access level you set for the link. You can also share with Google Groups, simplifying access management for teams. Remember to review who has access periodically, especially for sensitive information, to ensure your files remain secure. Google Drive offers advanced sharing features like transferring ownership, which is useful when a project lead changes. You can also disable options for viewers and commenters to download, print, or copy your files, adding an extra layer of security. Always double-check your sharing settings before finalizing. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy collaborating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.